Hello everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to change your password on Metatrader 5. Let us begin. Now the first thing you need to do is open Meta 5 app on your mobile device. If you are using iOS or Android, just go to the gear icon where you can find the setting. Since I am using an iPhone, it is located at the bottom right corner. From here, click on the account that you are using. Alright. So my account is shown here. There is an arrow, just tap on it and follow on the screen instructions. Now scroll down and you will see section called change password. It's very easy. Just tap on it. Here you will see multiple options. Let me explain them quickly. The first one is the investor password. If you wanted to change this, it gives read-only access and you just need to follow the same step and choose this option. Next is the master password. If you wanted to change this, you will need to enter your current password, then type a new password. Confirm it and save it. The master password is used when you have multiple accounts, like a personal account and a demo account. There is also an option to clear saved password if you wanted to use that. Now, if you choose to change the master password, just enter your current password, type your new password, confirm it, then tap done and click change. After that, your password will be updated without any problem. And that is it for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe